Hello, my dear student. Lecture number 4 for 12th standard, part 2. Chapter number 1 Differentiation. Exercise 1.1, question number 2, example number 7. Let cosec under root cos x. Let y is equal to cosec under root cos x differentiate with respect to x. So dy dx is equal to d dx cosec under root cos x, and therefore dy dx is equal to, so derivative of cosec is equal to minus cosec root cos x into cot root cos x and derivative of root cos x. So is equal to minus cosec x root cot x root cos x into cot root cos x into derivative of this is equal to 1 upon 2 root cos x and derivative of cos x. So is equal to minus cosec x under root cos x into cot under root cos x into 1 upon 2 cos under root cos x minus, so derivative of cos is equal to minus sin x, and now is equal to this minus and this minus become plus, and therefore dy dx is equal to sin x into cosec under root cos x into cot under root cos x upon 2 under root cos x. Okay. Question number 8. Log cos x into bracket x cube minus 5. Let y is equal to log cos x cube minus 5 differentiate with respect to x, dy dx is equal to d dx of this y, and is equal to 1 upon, so first you take derivative of log, so 1 upon cos into bracket x cube minus 5 and derivative of cos x cube minus 5. So is equal to 1 upon cos under 1 upon cos into bracket x cube minus 5, derivative of this is equal to minus sin x cube minus 5 and derivative of x cube minus 5, and is equal to minus sin x cube minus 5 upon cos x cube minus 5 into 3x square. So derivative of this is equal to 3x square, and hence dy dx is equal to minus 3 sin 3x square. The sin upon cos is equal to tan x cube minus 5. Okay. Question number 3. Now here I take question number 3, and from that 3, ninth one I take. Okay. Cot log x upon 2 is equal to, now this is given, is equal to log, cot log x upon 2 minus log cot x upon 2. Okay. Now solution. Let y is equal to cot log x upon 2 minus log cot x upon 2 differentiate with respect to x, dy dx is equal to derivative of this minus derivative of this, is equal to derivative of cot is equal to minus cosec square log x upon 2 and derivative of log x upon 2 minus this derivative of log is 1 upon cot x upon 2 into derivative of cot x upon 2. So is equal to minus cosec square log x upon 2 into, this is derivative of log x is equal to 1 upon x, and this 2 1 upon 2 x minus this goes up 2 upon cot x into 1 upon 2, and derivative of cot x is equal to minus cosec square x. Okay, and is equal to minus cosec square x into bracket log x upon 2x plus cosec square x upon cot x. These two and these two get cancelled, and therefore dy dx is equal to minus cosec square log x upon 2 upon 2x plus tan x. This you simplify, you will get tan x plus cosec square cosec x. Okay, so this cot means tan, 1 upon cot is equal to tan into cosec square x. Okay, question number 10 from question number 3. E raised to 2x minus e raised to minus 2x upon e raised to 2x plus e raised to minus 2x. Solution: let y is equal to e raised to 2x minus e raised to 2x upon e raised to 2x plus e raised to minus 2x. Differentiate with respect to x. So first you simplify this and then differentiate. So y is equal to e raised to 2x minus 1 upon e raised to 2x upon e raised to 2x plus 1 upon e raised to 2x. This you simplify. So e raised to 2x is denominator. E raised to 2x into e raised to 2x is equal to e raised to 4x minus 1 upon e raised to 4x plus 1 upon e raised to 2x. This and this get cancelled, and when hence y is equal to e raised to 4x minus 1 upon e raised to 4x plus 1. And now then you differentiate this using y is equal to u upon v. So dy dx is equal to, this is v and this is u. So v du dx minus u dv dx upon v square. So is equal to e raised to 4x plus 1 derivative of e raised to 4x minus 1 minus e raised to 4x minus 1 derivative of e raised to 4x plus 1 upon e raised to 4x plus 1 square. Simplify this. So e raised to 4x plus 1 derivative of this is equal to e raised to 4x, and derivative of 4x is equal to 4 minus e raised to 4x minus 1 e raised to 4x into 4. Now here you take 4 e raised to 4x common. So e raised to 4x common, 4 e raised to 4x common into bracket e raised to 4x plus 1 minus e raised to 4x plus 1 upon e raised to 4x plus 1 square. So this e raised to 4x and this e raised to 4x get cancelled, and this is 1 plus 1 2, 2 into 4 8, 8 e raised to 4x upon e raised to 4x plus 1 square. Okay. Question number 11 from question number 3. E raised to 2x plus 1 upon e raised to root x minus 1. Here e raised to root x plus 1 upon e raised to root x minus 1. So again same way you simplify. So let y is equal to e raised to 2x plus 1 e raised to root x plus 1 upon e raised to root x minus 1. Differentiate with respect to x, and again you use u upon v formula. So therefore dy dx is equal to e raised to root x minus 1 derivative of e raised to root x plus 1 minus e raised to root x plus 1 derivative of e raised to root x minus 1 upon e raised to root x minus 1 square. So is equal to root e raised to root x minus 1 into derivative of this is equal to e raised to root x, and derivative of what root x is equal to 1 upon 2 root x, derivative of 1 is equal to 0, minus e raised to root x plus 1, similarly e raised to root x upon 2 root x. Now then you simplify this upon e raised to root x minus 1 square. So here e raised to root x upon 2 root x take common. So e raised to x minus 1 minus e raised to root x minus 1. So this and this get cancelled, and this is minus 2. So minus 2 e raised to root x upon 2 root x into e raised to x minus 1 square, and again this 2 and 2 get cancelled, and therefore dy dx is equal to minus e raised to root x upon e raised upon root x into e raised to root x minus 1 square. Okay, now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear students, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comments if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.